Hey, what's up guys, it's me Inventor, and in this video I will show you how to make a DIY which can help you.
In situations like whenever your cords aren't plugging or whenever you want to watch something with your friend, so you just plug in both of the headphones and now you both can enjoy. It also got a long wire, so that's also a plus. As you can see, it's a compact but useful gadget.
Also, this is my own idea which I came up with. So yeah, enough talking, roll out the intro.
By the way, I created this project because I always would hit the audio cord and that would ruin my jack. Then I grabbed some scrap wood from other projects I had, but then I saw this wonderful case from Play-Doh which fits perfectly, so we're gonna use that. Okay, so for some of materials you will need audio jack, actually 2 of them. The links are gonna be down in the description. Headphone wire, you can cut them from old headphones you never use. And some more wires, I took mine from old PlayStation's controller. And yeah, that's it, we don't need anything else. I started by cutting all the useless stuff from the wires and exposing them. Now it's time to solder both of the jacks together. Ground with ground, right channel with the right channel, and left channel with left channel. This is how they look soldered together. Now it's time to solder audio cord to both of the jacks. Again, ground with ground, right channel with right channel, and left channel with left channel. Now when we're done, this is how it's supposed to look. Audio cord soldered to PlayStation's wire, which is soldered to both of the jacks. Then I marked the places where the holes should be drilled and drilled them. Lastly, I put everything together and use some super glue to secure it. Now we close everything up. And yes, we are finally done.
So yeah, that's basically the end of the video. As you can see, this DIY extension cord is pretty useful. I made it in about 15 minutes or so. And by the way, guys, here are top 5 comments. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!